guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Microsoft stock, why I think that this is probably the best AI stock that every investor should have, and why I'm buying as much as I can. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, by all means, ask them down below. And guys, this is just my opinion. This is going to be an unedited, raw video for you guys. Really just short video explaining why I'm investing in a Microsoft. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this, hit that like button, subscribe. So let's jump into this. So what's been going on with Microsoft? So lately they've been investing billions of dollars into AI software and pretty much anything technology like they've always been doing. Microsoft investing in a tech is very common. But anyways, they invested into a company called ChatGPT, which has been the fastest online platform ever to hit 100 million users in less than 90 days, right? Yes, we've seen Facebook hit 100 million, we've seen Instagram hit 100 million, but it took about 9 months. Now ChatGPT hit it in under 90 days. So there's a massive opportunity right now in AI. With Microsoft investing into ChatGPT, I think that this is going to be a perfect play for AI. Not to mention, Microsoft has a ton of other, things in the works with AI. I think it's really interesting. Also, Microsoft, looking at some of the fundamentals, I think that this is going to be a perfect stock. We've seen a beat earnings, increasing revenue. We've seen a price target near and around, about $350 to $400, which is perfect for a stock that's $313 right now. So I think that looking back, in 2 to 5 years, I think we're going to be wishing we would have bought more of pretty much these AI stocks. I'm looking at AI right now, kind of like how we invested and we saw this huge run of electric vehicles. Everybody was investing into, the electric vehicle sector, and we saw companies like NIO, like Rivian, like, Plug Power even just absolutely get, skyrocket, a ton of buying pressure. Now looking at AI, do you guys notice something? We're seeing a lot of these startups, that companies that really don't have much, companies that don't have any revenue, the companies that are pretty much burning through cash, no profit, and they're worth, tens of billions of dollars. But you have companies like Microsoft that's already absolutely crushing it, and they've been investing into AI, they've been investing into software, and all these massive growth sectors Microsoft has been investing into for a while now. And now all that hard work is slowly starting to pay off. So I think looking out, 2 to 5 years, what we're going to see is a lot of these smaller companies either get bought out or kind of just fade away. And I think we're going to see a couple leaders of the AI sector. Now those leaders, my top 3 AI stocks that I would recommend, obviously Microsoft, 2 would be Google, and 3 would be Nvidia. Now all these are highly invested into software, AI, and I think looking back 2 to 5 years, I think we're going to be wishing, like I said, we would have bought more of Microsoft. Now I understand people like to say, Carter, what we've seen from Microsoft is Microsoft hitting their 52-week high. You never want to invest at all-time highs. Listen, I get that. I completely understand, but you have to look down the road. For all those people that invested into the markets during, 2007 when the markets were at an all-time high. Now they're up well, they're up well on their money. And if you'd have invested into, 2020 right before the crash, that's at all-time highs. So all-time highs for me right now don't scare me as a long-term investor, just because I understand growth, I understand opportunity, and I'd rather have shares than sit on the sidelines. Also, a good strategy that I would recommend, obviously, you guys know me, I'm going to talk about dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is just investing weekly into a company. The beauty of it is you're just developing, some good average price for your shares. So if the stock goes down, you're buying those dips, you're buying down. So once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money. But, I think right now, AI in general is just a massive opportunity to make money. I understand we're going to see a lot of volatility from it. We're going to see stocks get annihilated. We're going to see stocks skyrocket up, just like we saw yesterday with C3 AI, where the stock went up 25%. So I think that yes, we're going to see a ton of volatility, but I'm excited. I think that I think that if you're well balanced in your portfolio with ETFs, dividend companies, blue chip, and even some small growth stocks, investing 3 to 5% of your money into a high growth sector like AI would be well worth it in the long run. And that's kind of what I'm starting to do. I'm starting to focus right now on investing into these AI companies, but the companies that I'm investing in are companies that are more well established. Like I said, Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia are my top 3 just because they already have great profit margins. They're already killing it on the revenue. So now all this work that they've been investing into with AI is going to pay off in the long run. That's my plan. That's my strategy right now with AI. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Short, small video. But guys, there is some ETFs. There is some great AI ETFs I would highly recommend. BOTZ is a great one. We also have some other ones backed by Vanguard, which are also awesome. They're the Vanguard Technology ETF. Fantastic. But overall, I think it's just an opportunity, guys, where we all can make some cheddar cheese. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shorter video today, unedited, raw. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you later. Take care, guys.